Kafoodle recipe and menu management software is perfect for helping your business manage costs in the current economic climate. We can hold up-to-date pricing on all your ingredients and update these to reflect your business developments. We showcase fully costed recipes to ensure they are cost-effective before being added to your menus. You can set target gross profit percentages and update these and analyze as required. Changes to ingredients pricing propagates throughout the system, updating recipes and menus seamlessly. Our comprehensive cost data sheet allows you to see all costing related to every recipe in one place. This can easily be exported for manipulation and analysis.